The world of cultural fashion. Cultural fashion is another language tool for cultures. Talking about the ethnic clothes of a few cultures, we can see that they are extremely majestic. They often attract the attention of every person in the room. The most common and popular Indian attire is saris for the ladies and dhotis for the men. These breezy and lightweight attires are extremely popular due to their free-flowing nature. The Bhutanese dress go for men and kira for women are extremely popular in the country. Several individuals, even in urban establishments, prefer wearing these traditional clothes on a daily basis. Sweater vests used to be an outdated design that went out of fashion in the early 2000s. However, they are back. This time, they are here to stay. Masuo and Hmong are popular ethnic groups in China. They have their own set of traditions and beliefs. One of the key features of Indonesian attires is that they are extremely functional and plain. Yes, you read that right. The United States has several cultures that still prefer wearing their traditional outfits to date. A few places where the wave of modernization has still not made its impact are able to preserve their cultures better. One unique thing about African dresses is that they are extremely colorful and regal. The Africans, especially the ones that are living in poverty in the smaller villages, hold their few possessions very close to their heart. These dresses, often appearing as traditional silky gowns, facilitate a comfortable appeal in the tropical weather of the country. The Herero dresses closely resemble the old-age Victorian dresses that acquired a lot of popularity in European cultures back in the early 1800s. The Mongolian plains are cold, frigid, and lifeless. On the other hand, the Mongolian people are extremely jovial, happy, and welcoming people. Blue skies, bluer seas, and green land, the naturally colorful lands of the beautiful Mediterranean countries, are a sight that every individual must enjoy at least once in life. Take the colorful elements from the Mongolian traditional clothes, enhance them by a significant percentage, and you have the traditional Sami clothes. The clothes from Madagascar seem like the perfect blend of clothes from Namibia and Kenya. These traditional clothes are lightweight, single-piece, and meant to help you cool down in the hot tropical climate. Japanese kimono dresses are some of the most popular traditional clothes around the world. The Japanese people keep their cultural preferences extremely close to their hearts. If you enjoy our content, please follow and subscribe.